Today, science is often used to bolster atheism. But modern science actually emerged out of Christian Europe. So what brought us to where we are today? Peter Harrison claims a British biologist has been instrumental in driving a wedge between science and religion.
What Thomas Huxley saw in Darwinism was the potential to make biology scientific and to give it a significant public profile and to make science something that was important in society in a way in which it wasn't. And part of that meant, in a sense, prizing science from the hands of the clergy who, for various reasons, had tended to dominate scientific positions and the scientific establishment for quite a long time. The strategy he used, you might call it a kind of wedge strategy, was to say, actually, science and religion are different activities, they're in conflict. Clergy, hands off the sciences, leave it to the true professional.
Sir John Polkinghorne has refused to be hands-off with science. Formerly a top particle physicist at Cambridge University, he left his academic post in mid-career to be ordained in the Anglican Church. Today, he's regarded as a world authority on both religion and science. He maintains they share a common goal.
They're both concerned with the search for truth, obviously for different aspects of truth, but those aspects have to fit together in some sort of way. We're very familiar with that sort of fact. The kettle's boiling because burning gas heats the water. The kettle's boiling because I want to make a cup of tea. Would you like to have one? We don't have to choose between those two. In fact, if we're to understand the mysterious event of the boiling kettle, we need both those forms of explanation. Similarly, I think science tells us how the world works, but religion tells us there is a meaning and purpose, something being fulfilled in the unfolding of the history of the world. So I need both those perspectives if I'm truly to understand the really rich and remarkable world in which we live.